I know you got problems, know you at the bottom, know you took a loss.
Guys, it's Emmanuel. Today we have this chrome car wrap again, and today we're gonna do racing stripes for this car, this new project. Let's do it.
Everybody starving, but don't you go off today, Don't you go off now. That's right. Don't go off. Nah, don't you go off now. Look, hey, yeah, I woke up this morning living my best life. And if it isn't, at least I gave it my best try. I'm just enjoying the moments, cause ain't no next time. Trying to slide with my people on the west side.
Alright guys, so we're back again. So today, remember we did this chrome wrap. This one looks amazing. But in this video, we're gonna install white racing stripes, dual white racing stripes. But we're gonna do it in 2 layers because this one is gonna have the honeycomb stripes, and then on top another vinyl. So it's gonna be like a texture with the honeycomb style. Okay, so this one is gonna look cool. So let's start with this project and let's do the installation. But you can see it here. It looks amazing. Cool.
Trying to find the light, waiting on it, trying to get the timing right. Switch it up, had to get my mind right. Now it's my time and I'm gonna shine bright. Yeah, look, I've been trying to find the light, waiting on it, trying to get the timing right. Switch it up, had to get my mind right. Now it's time and I'm about to shine bright. Yeah, shine bright. Yeah, shine bright. Joy in the light. Yeah, look, ooh, everybody got problems. Everybody got problems. You just want to solve them. Live it up, I call them.
Okay, now we have the tape right in the middle of the whole car. Okay, so now the next step is to put the stripes, and with the tape you can leave the gap that you want. The tape is 1 inch. You can leave it right on the tape, or you can leave more gap. So I'm gonna leave like 1.5 inches. So I'm gonna leave a little bit of a space on each side, and that's it. So let's continue with the next step, that is putting the black, the honeycomb stripes first. Let's do that next. Okay, now the first color is installed. So this one is gonna be 2 layers, but if you are only installing honeycomb, this is done. But for my project I'm gonna put another layer on top. Okay, but one very important thing that I want to point out, make sure that the pattern of the honeycomb matches. If you see here, it matches. Okay, don't put this side the other way, because in this is a different size and this one. So if you can see, both sides it matches. This one like this. Okay, you can see it there. So that's very important. Don't put it crooked and not even. This one is even right here. A little bit off, but if you see it like this, it's very close, even. the lines are even. Okay, so that's very important. So now I'm gonna put the second layer on the stripes. Okay, and now you can see why I did it like this. This looks amazing. It looks like a snake skin. Wow. You can see it right there. Wow. Beautiful. You can see it. You can see it right there. Yes. So it has the honeycomb pattern. So now I'm gonna do the same thing for the stripes on the roof, this part and those. But those are gonna be on a time lapse. So, but you already got the idea. Put the first layer. Make sure the gaps are the same on both sides, the same pattern. Align it. Okay, and then you can put the other layer on top. Okay. All the links for this are gonna be in the description in the video down below. So these are 2 sets of racing stripes. Okay, it's not a cheap, it's a little bit expensive. But if you wanna do it, if you wanna do this, the link is gonna be on the description of the video down below. Okay, let's continue with the installation. The rest of the part, this one is gonna be on time lapse.
Check out the crease. Blow like I'm Bigfoot, step on the beat. Make a man's run, tell me step out the case. When the whole place scream, gotta get out there. I hear him chat to the noise, move too quick, can't stop for the talking. I hear him chat with the boys, man's so tough, but man's keep rocking. Just too sharp with the prize, white girls let it tell me I'm awesome, yeah. Hot like fire on the pan. If you wanna touch man, please use caution, 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 caution.
Alright, so I already did the honeycomb on the back, but you can see it. It looks great. You can see this. So now it's time to put the other layer. But remember the pattern, it has to match, it has to be aligned. You can see here, it's aligned. This thicker and thicker, this is thinner and thinner. So this one is like this, so it matches. Same thing here. You can see it, it matches. And here too, even here, you can see it matches, so it has to look even and nice. So now let's put the white stripe on top of this, okay? Alright guys, so I already put the honeycomb in this area, the front, all the way to here. So remember, it has to be aligned, they have to match the pattern, have to match. So this is reflected, it's mirrored like this, okay? Okay, for those that are gonna ask, but how did you install the honeycomb? The same way that I'm gonna install the white stripes on top of this, okay? So it's gonna be the same process. So now let's put the white on top of this. Let's do that. Alright guys, the car is ready. The stripes with the 2 layers with the honeycomb style looks amazing. So let's see if we can go to a parking lot that has light, because it's already dark outside. Okay, let's go over there and let's see how it looks outside. Okay guys, you can see it right there. Sorry that it's already dark, but man, have to return this car to the customer. But you can see there the pattern, how it looks. Beautiful, man. You can see it on this side. Yes, you can see it there. Amazing, even on the roof. And the trunk, you can see it right there. Beautiful, the whole thing right there. So remember, this is two stripe sets, honeycomb stripes and solid stripes, dual solid stripes. I use the honeycomb is a 10-inch, and the one on top is 10.5-inch. Okay, as you can see it right there, beautiful. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Okay, those are the stripes, 2 sets of stripes, honeycombs and solid stripes. The links are gonna be on the description of the video down below, but you can see it right there. Looks amazing, okay? But all the links in the description down below. If you have a question, put in the comments, and if you like the video, please like the video. That helps the channel a lot. Subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.